So here we are inside a canyon, which is away from Bursa city in Turkey, 1 hour. And this place is amazing with nature. And I'm going to share with you one of the most beautiful places that Turkey has. And yet not so many people really know about it. We got introduced to this place by beautiful and kind people who are mountaineers. And they brought us in here several times last year, and ever since we just kept coming by ourselves. This place is known as Jannat Canyon, which is Paradise Canyon, and the water starts running almost from that direction, heading to the right and continuing inside the smaller and tighter roads that is reaching lots of waterfalls and pools on the way. Now I will be showing you where we are right now and where we take our beautiful place. Every time we come to this place, we immediately find our beautiful rock and we just sit down there. That's my beautiful wife, enjoying the nature as I am doing as well. And this is one of the pools that I enjoy diving in as well, also sliding there. And it goes down like that. As you can see, the water is extremely pure and clean. It's totally rainwater and also snow. It keeps flowing all the year, I think. It's full of fig trees and other some kind of like wild fruits. So whenever we come in here, we try to pick up whatever we could find. And I am about to take a dive in this beautiful pool, and I would like you to share that moment with me. So here we are right now, about to dive in that beautiful pool and then maybe continue down there. Whenever you come to this place, it's really frozen. But it's so beautiful, just like to enjoy the water just like for a bit, you know. And just once you are inside, you're totally frozen, so it's fine. I'm gonna take a slide from that place, which I really love. It's a natural slide, so let's go for it.
beautiful places like this, don't hesitate at all. Because Turkey is full of an amazing places just like that. And this is just a small place, but it's really long. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video so you can get more. Alright, namaste.